Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week I'll be showing you how to make a trio of refreshing summer drinks. Now the first drink is going to be Rhubarb Cordial. Now for this you want to combine 500 grams of fresh rhubarb, 75 grams of sugar and 225 ml of water in a pan and bring to a simmer. Now you want to be cooking the rhubarb for around 15 minutes or until the rhubarb is really soft and can be easily mashed with a spoon. Now mashing the rhubarb with a spoon is going to be required to release all of the juices. Now once you have mashed your rhubarb, you want to let it cool slightly and strain it through a sieve, passing as much juice through as possible. Now the rhubarb pulp you are left with you can use for toppings on porridges, breads, toasts, desserts, anything you want. You don't have to throw the pulp away as it's still going to hold that rhubarb flavour, it's just not going to have as much juice in it. Now here is where you can taste your cordial and add more sugar if you want it a little bit sweeter, or if you even wish you can squeeze in some lemon juice. Then you want to let fully cool, decant into a bottle and chill in the fridge. Now you can drink this as it is, you can mix it with beer, mix it with wines, make your own cocktails, or like I did, I mixed mine with some kombucha to make a nice rhubarby kombucha. Now on to drink number 2, we are making Limonada, or a Brazilian lemonade made with limes. Now I'm starting by pouring one 400 gram can of sweetened condensed milk into a jug, and then you want to zest 6 clean limes into a jug or bowl, either using a zester, which I am slowly getting the hang of, or using the finger zester, which will make light work of your knuckles if you do slip. Then you want to half induce your limes. You can optionally keep one lime unjuiced and just slice it for garnish if you wish. Then you want to add the juice to the zest and then weigh out 140 grams of white sugar. Then you want to add the sugar to the juice, or optionally you can add the sugar later to taste after you have made this up. Then you want to add 750 to 1.5 litres of water depending on how limey you want this to be. Then you want to mix the lime juice, water with the condensed milk, give a good mix to combine. Then your next step is to simply enjoy. Now you can drink this fresh as it's just freshly made, or you can chill it down in the fridge and serve with ice. Now as a side note, if you do chill it down in the fridge, it can separate, but you just give it a quick stir and then it comes back together again. And on to the final drink. Hibiscus tea. Now this is a great use for hibiscus flowers. You can make this with fresh or dry flowers, as hibiscus flowers only bloom for 1 to 3 days. Now I use the flowers after they have been pollinated, and I will show you how I prepare and dry my petals after making the tea. To make your tea you want around 15 petals. Now I'm personally using dry ones, and this is roughly equal to 3 flowers. You want to place the petals in around 750 ml of water into a saucepan and bring to a simmer. Then remove from the heat and let steep for around 10 minutes. Now as the water heats up, the petals will start to lose their colour and turn a yellowy colour, and the water will become a dark red or even purple. Now I have noticed with a dried hibiscus petal, you will end up with a darker tea. Once your hibiscus tea is brewed, you can add in extra flavours. I chose to add in some orange mint, but you can add in almost anything extra you would add to a herbal tea. Now you can enjoy this hot or cold with ice. Now the way I dry my petals to make the tea is by gently removing the flower and leaving the seed pod on the plant. Then you want to remove the bottom white part of the flower holding all of the petals together. Now the stamen, also known as the part that holds the pollen, should also separate quite easily from the petals. And then you just want to place the petals on a plate and then place somewhere warm and dry. I place mine out in the conservatory in front of the windows where it gets nice and warm, and they dry within a matter of hours because they're nice and thin. And there you have it, 3 quick and simple refreshing summer drinks, perfect for those hot summer days. Now, as always, if you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.